Once upon a time, there was a boy named Alex who loved playing games of all kinds. His favorite game was chess, and he played it every chance he got. Alex was convinced that he was the best chess player in the world until one day he met his match. He was playing against a computer program, and despite his best efforts, he couldn't beat it. The computer seemed always to know what move he was going to make before he made it. Alex was frustrated and confused. How could a machine be better at chess than a human? That's when he remembered a quote he had heard. "A computer once beat me at chess, but it was no match for me at kickboxing." It was said by a comedian, Emo Phillips, but the quote made Alex think. He realized that computers were very good at certain things, like calculating moves and predicting outcomes. But they weren't good at things that humans were good at, like creativity, emotion, and intuition. Alex decided to challenge the computer to a different kind of game, a game of creativity and imagination. He proposed that they both write a story, and they would be judged not on grammar or spelling, but on creativity and originality. The computer agreed to the challenge, and they both began writing. Alex wrote a story about a boy who lived in a world of magic, where dragons roamed free and wizards cast spells. The computer wrote a story about a robot who traveled to a distant planet to find a new source of energy for his home planet. When they were finished, they exchanged stories and read them out loud. Alex was impressed with the computer's story. It was well written and imaginative, and it had a surprising twist at the end. But Alex's story was different. It was full of emotion and wonder, and it made the computer feel things it had never felt before. In the end, the judge declared a tie. Both stories were unique and creative in their way, but Alex had learned something valuable. He realized that computers might be good at certain things, but they couldn't replace the things that made humans special. He left the game room that day with a new appreciation for the balance between humans and machines. He knew that the future would bring incredible advances in technology, but he also knew that the creativity and imagination of humans would always be needed to make the world a truly wonderful place.